In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your mic not working on Fortnite on PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it could be genuinely very annoying when your mic's not working and you might be trying to talk with friends. So the first thing you want to do is whenever you go to your settings, go over to the voice chat section, make sure you're on open mic and make sure your voice chat is on, and it's not on like friends only or friends and teammates. You want to make sure it's on everybody to ensure that it properly works. If it's still not working, what you could do is press open voice settings like so, and you're going to be on the third tab right here. You want to make sure voice chat is set to everybody, your voice chat method on open mic, and your voice chat input device should be your correct microphone. So whatever microphone you're using, whether it's a USB mic or anything like that, that's what it should be. Your output device should be your speakers or whatever you're using for that as well. So now that's it. That's all you want to do in communication. For audio, you want to make sure voice chat is actually, not muted or anything. You want to make sure it's on 100%. And then after that, what you want to do is literally just go out of Fortnite. So we'll just like tab away from it. And then once you do, it's going to look like this. And what I'm going to see is that volume icon on the bottom right. And then all I want to do is open sound settings like so. And I just want to make sure my input device is my microphone. Same thing I did on Fortnite. And I want to make sure it's the same thing on my output device as well. And yeah, then you'll be good to go. So just make sure it matches Fortnite and Windows. Make sure those settings are the exact same, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel as well.